guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this makeup look, and this is my summer transitioning into fall makeup look. I saw as I was scrolling on Pinterest this eye look. I'm not sure who it's by because I saw it real quick and then my Pinterest refreshed, but it was an eye look with a blue crease, and it was gold fading into like a brown on the lid, and I thought it was just so stunning because I usually wouldn't pair the colors like this. But yeah, I love the way this makeup look came out. It is a full face makeup look only because I haven't filmed in so long and I owe you so many videos, and might as well go ahead and just make it a full tutorial. But yeah, without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Start off the look, I'll be priming my eyes with the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer. Then going into the Morphe James Charles palette, I'm taking the shade Cola and just packing that into my crease, and then I'll slowly blend it out. Now mixing the shades Brother and Playground, I'm just going to blend out that Cola shade, and just so we have more of a transition. So I'm just using that and blending it all out. I'm just gonna cut my lid or my crease, whatever you want to call it, with my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. Then I'll be taking the shade Benny and I'll place that in the outer corner, making sure I blend the blue and that shade together. Then dipping into No Beans, I'll be repeating the same thing. And then dipping into 10% off and code James, I'll be placing that on my lid as well. Then the last shade I'll place is Moon, and then I'm dipping into the shade So Good, which is that shimmery gold color, and placing that in the inner third. But I did want a little more sparkle, so I'm just going in with the Bella Chic Cosmetics highlighter and just placing that on top. Then just lining the top of my lid with the Appeal Cosmetics brown liner. And then moving on to our face, I'm just gonna set my primer with the Pretty Vulgar powder, which is what I've been doing for the summertime. It helps with the oily skin. If you didn't see my foundation routine, this was like a new trick I started doing. Now taking the Wet n Wild foundation, I'm just gonna apply that everywhere. Nothing special. Then I've recently started using the Morphe concealer, and so far I really like it. It's really full coverage, and it is buildable. But yeah. Then to set my face again, I'm taking the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. And I really like this. It's so cool the way it feels. Like, it really feels cooling. So I've been really enjoying that for the summer as well. Then taking the same brown gel liner, I'm just placing that in my waterline. And then I'll be repeating the steps that I did on my lid onto my lower lash line. So just code James, No Beans, and you know, all those colors. And I'm just smoking out the lower lash line. Then for highlight, I went back to one of my holy grail highlights, which is the Laura Mercier Gilded Honey highlight. And yeah, just applying that on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Then I'm gonna set that with the Wet n Wild Rose spray. I've been loving this. And for lashes, I'll be taking the Azuretto lashes in the style Legendary. And I do have a code down below if you want to check them out. They are so nice. So now I'm just applying some mascara just to help blend. And then the last step is our lips. And I'm taking the Tarte's Lip Paint in Fortune. And I also top it off with a little bit of the Maybelline Stay Matte Ink in Fighter. So this does conclude the makeup look. I I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And let me know down below what you're most excited about fall, because I love fall and I'm just excited about everything about fall. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you all in the next one.